So it's been a very productive week, and even this Sunday is productive. We've done a roof tent, which you can see there. It's been tested through the night. We didn't actually sleep in it because I wasn't feeling like doing it. It was a tiring day yesterday, but it's not drying in the sun. And the next thing now is the lab is running. All the robots are running well, and I'm going to give you a tour. Smokey, let's go have a tour. Robots. So here we are, the lab, busy as always. The robots running. We have here our Creality 3D printer, biggest printer you can currently get. She's running a job producing a valve for a medical machine, and these are all our calibration things for her. Behind her is our magnetic tool wall and our French cleat system, and here in front is our Shipoko running a JTech photonics laser. We're producing a sign here, controlled by a MacBook Air. And in the corner here, we're tumbling some metallic parts, get rid of scale on them, years of scale accumulation. Client was trying to clean them one by one, which is a nuisance. So another view of the laser, our drill press station, argon gas for our TIG welding. Here's where we do our cutting and polishing, where we keep all our air tools. And you've seen on the outside, we have a box on the outside of this room here where we house our compressor, drives all our tools. Here we have our NVIDIA Xavier, which is where we do all our AI prototyping and testing. This is the Xavier. Our breadboarding, testing and development station, repair station, where we repair circuits that are buggered up somehow. And this is a mess right now because all the Landy recovery tools are in here, since Landy is outside having spent the night in the rain and her roof tent undergone some testing, and now it's undergoing some sunlight testing. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.